If you got it, it ain't a question. Boy, no forgetting. No more than emotion.
Just made it to the UPS store because I'm gonna return this glass teapot. Let me see if the camera is gonna focus. Right. This little guy right here is so cute and everything. The only problem is it's not durable. It's not durable. So it's like the handle is breaking. And I'm like, you know something? This is scary because I don't want to have to like literally be pouring my tea and it breaks off. That's a problem. So I'm gonna return it. I contacted Amazon and you know, obviously they sent me the little barcode or whatever. And yeah, so we are about to drop this off at the UPS store. After that, let's see, we're gonna head on over to Chili's for the drinks, of course, because if you remember the last vlog, those drinks were like, it was really good, really good. And after that, we don't really have anything on the agenda today. We're just like blowing in the wind. I know my son, he was like, he wanted these particular sneakers, so I may go back home later, pick him up, take him to the mall to go get those sneakers. And that's about it. That's about it. Day in a life. Not every day is gonna be having a lot of things to do, but it is gonna be exciting, especially if you're hanging with us nevertheless. You see those nuts sitting next to me? Well, you know what? Congratulations to the, I forgot his name. He's like so famous on TikTok. I saw him on Hugo Boss's ad campaign. He got a deal with Hugo Boss as well. Shout out to him. Everybody knows who I'm talking about. He's African, and like I said, he is the highest.
He's a genius.
The highest paying, the highest earned TikToker, the highest paid TikToker on TikTok. And he got another endorsement with a couple other companies. So yeah, every time he does this right here,
Now, you see
he
what
reminds
it
me
is?
so much of him.
You see what it is, right? When your parents used to tell you speak until spoken to.
No, don't speak until spoken to. Yes. It paid off.
It pays off.
It paid off. It really did. So let's go to UPS and return this thing. All right?
Lego.
Let's go. To see if they have tacos, shrimp, spicy shrimp tacos, but they also have the guiltless grill menu, which is good. If you saw my other vlog, you know that I had the ancho salmon. That was so delicious. And I did, instead of rice, I did like a double serving of broccoli, and that was good to go. And that was only like literally 640 calories, no less, because I didn't have rice. So it was about I forgot what it was. I think like 540 or something. I like this. Not to mention, I wanted to change my pot set color anyway. I like this right here. So cute. Skillet. I want to invest in some more nice skillets and pots and pans. I want to invest in a nice set. Nothing that's gonna break too easily. I am in love with these right here. It's Orchard Valley Harvest Honey Roasted Mixed Nuts, almonds, pecans, peanuts, and cashews. Not to mention, I think each pack is only like 180 calories, which is perfect. But this right here, you're not gonna regret it. Makes a perfect snack. These right here, let's see, where do we start? The skinny syrups. I'm gonna be honest, they're nasty. Yeah, I said it, it's nasty. I don't like it at all. I don't like it. It tastes too, it's something about sugar-free stuff. It just tastes too chemicalized. It doesn't taste good. It doesn't taste good. I just rather cut back on the sugar than to actually use the skinny syrups. Not feeling it at all. I tried it with different things, but what I did do was I had got some from Home Goods, and I took it back like the next day. I was like, I don't want it. I demand a refund. Nah, but seriously, I did take it back, but it's not my thing. Different cups. I like this. This is cute. Let me see. It says honey. Wait, I don't want to drop it. This is cute. And this is $7.99. Yeah, it doesn't want to focus. All right. The containers are everything. I love those right there. Too cute. Check out the large size carrots on the bottom. These are everything. That's cute. This is $7.99. Too cute. Too cute. Aww. Wow. I love spring and I love Easter. The orchids. This is so pretty. Wow, I want to get it. I really do. I really do. But I don't think I have a place to put it, but I think I'm just gonna get it regardless. Check out the vase. This is nice. This is pretty too. Wow. Check out this right here. Wow. The vibrancy of the colors are everything. I'm not gonna get our dogs any more toys. They have more than enough. In fact, they're not even playing with the toys. You know what they are playing with? Guess what? Our stuff, our socks, our everything. Everything that they shouldn't be playing with is what they're playing with. It's ridiculous. It kind of defeated the purpose of us buying them stuff, because what was the point? What's the point of buying you toys and all these different things, and then you guys are going to turn around and eat our slippers anyway regardless? It's just like when you go all out for Christmas, when you have like a 2-year-old and you buy them everything. And I know a lot of you can relate if you have kids. And what do they end up doing? What do they end up doing? You already know. They end up playing with the gift wrapping paper or the box that it came in after they have already like played with the toy for like 5 minutes. They gravitate to the gift wrapping paper in the box. And you say to yourself, with that, I could have bought you some gift wrapping paper for 97 cents from Walmart and a box. You know what I'm saying? And you could have had a very good time with that. But instead you buy all of these expensive toys and stuff, and they end up, well, it's the same thing with the dogs. They're having the ultimate time of their life playing with our stuff, socks. You name it, they like playing with it. They just like literally abandon their toys to play with our stuff. So when it comes to the toys, I'm not buying them anything else. I'm done. This pajama set is not, oh, it's a large. I'm more so looking for a medium. This is Nicole Miller. Oh, I thought I was in the medium section. I guess not. It's later in the evening and I've already went ahead and changed my outfit into something more comfy. And I'm just going to show you basically really quick what I picked up from TJMax. First thing I picked up was this little plaque right here. And it says, "Some bunny loves you." I think that is like so cute. And of course, this was only like $6.99. As I know I mentioned it before, if not in this vlog, definitely in another vlog. I'm working on my decorative tray for the bed, and I want to make it Easter savvy. So in the last haul, I did mention to you that I had picked up these little flowers right here, because of course it has like the spring element of colors, and I think this and this is gonna go together perfectly. What else did I get from TJ Maxx? I was surprised because before I show you guys anything else, I haven't been to TJMax in years. And I was honestly taken back by the fact that they had a lot of nice stuff. I haven't been there in so many years, and I was like, TJMax is doing it like this. I mean, honestly, I felt like I was in Home Goods. I know they're all, you know, they're all linked, and TJMax is an extension of Home Goods and Marshalls and all that stuff. But to literally be able to find somewhat of the same stuff in TJMax, that was pretty cool. What else did I pick up as far as decor? I picked up 2 of these orchid plants. Let me show you the other one. They're pretty much almost identical. And of course, they're not real, but it's gonna last longer. Can't really tell because it looks real, to be honest. And they both were, let's see, $14.99. And what really got me was the fact, not only the orchids, not only are they beautiful, but these marble plant pots as well. It was so decorative. So cute and so decorative. I don't know about you, but like, I can't wait to decorate for spring, honestly. Spring, Easter, I'm like really souped up and really excited. I also went ahead and wrapped up this little candle, and this is gonna go for the bedroom decor as well. This is the Sweet Pea Pomegranate candle, and it smells so good. It really does. It has like a mild floral scent. It smells really, really, it smells good. And let me see. I also picked up these butter toffee almonds. Now here's the thing with the butter toffee almonds. I'm not gonna lie. Your girl is a big New Yorker, all right? When it comes to those guys selling the peanuts from the peanut truck on every single corner in the city, stop the car, we gotta get some peanuts. And I figured these were the same thing. I got like so excited on the checkout line at TJMax. I was like so excited. And I had seen across the room, it said butter toffee almonds. And I'm like, I gotta get that, oh my goodness. And believe it or not, the taste is nowhere near. This is an absolute turn off. To the point where I seen the guy tonight selling the nuts. And I was like, I don't even want it because I guess this left a bad taste in my mouth. So I'm gonna return this because, And also in the vlog, I know you guys saw when I picked up the bunny cup. So I have a reason to go back there anyway. I picked up the bunny cup. I don't know what happened along the whole, from picking it up to the checkout line. I don't know what happened. But I got home and I can't find my little bunny cup. So of course I'm going to go back to TJMax because they did have about 5 or 6 of them. And I'm going to try to scoop that one up and replace it, you know, take this back. That's nasty. Let's see what else I got. I got these Levi slippers for my son. They're in a size 10. He's like a size 9, 8.5, 9. But I figured, let me just get it in the 10. The only difference is the construction of it is so cheap. That's another reason why I have to go back to TJMax. I'm taking this back as well because I'm not liking it at all. Not only does the material feel kind of cheap, but when you actually put it on, but it's not tight enough so your toes are like this, if it makes sense. It's not giving you that grip. Not to mention, because I tried it on too before I gave it to him. And this thing right here, oh my goodness, when I tell you it feels like it's cutting into your feet, it feels like it's sawing into your feet. Disgusting. And I mean, I can't complain too much because I only paid $9.99 for it anyway. So it's like, you gotta kind of figure something ain't right if you're only paying literally $10 for some slippers. But never, I mean, don't get me wrong, there are some slippers that's $5.99. That's good. But even 99 cents, because I bought slippers before, fluffy slippers from the 99-cent store, and it was good to go. Even flip-flops. But these right here, no can do. Too many issues. So I'm gonna take these back in the morning along with those peanuts. And let me see what else I got. I got these 2 pajama sets. I have yet to try it on. This is a short sleeve button down shirt. And I got it in a size medium. It also came with the pants because it's a set. So hopefully I can fit into this right here. If not, I guess I'm going to make my trip back to TJMax worthwhile. And I also got it in this color as well. Not a bad color. And this is in a medium as well. And this was, let me see, $19.99. This is a medium. Looks a little bit bigger than the black one, but hopefully everything fits perfectly fine. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna try it on and insert a clip so you can see how it fits. And let me see what else. I stopped off at Starbucks really quickly. And of course, this is my thing right now. They have it at Starbucks, but I ended up going to Trader Joe's, and guess what? I was able to get the, I don't even know if it's 12 pack, 8 pack, 12 pack, whatever. But of course, if you buy it in larger quantity, in like, let's say 8 pack, 10 pack, whatever, of course you're gonna get it for way less than buying it individually at Starbucks. This is the Spin Drift Sparkling Water, and it's so delicious. I love the raspberry lime flavor, and ironically it happens to be matching my outfit, but I live for this right here. It's so good. And let me see what else. Oh, this outfit right here, I got it from Target. I did what was it called? It was like one of my first videos when I ended up going to Target, and I did, like, I was in the dressing room, fitting room or whatever, and I had tried it on. This is the same set, loungewear basically. And yes, I would definitely put some sneakers on, some Errands or something, and wear this outside because it's universal. I love the fit. And this was in, the pants was in a size medium, and the shirt was in a large, because of course I wanted it to be oversized. Just in case you didn't see the other haul, this is what it looks like. Really cool. Of course you could pull the pants up higher if you want, and this is it. Cute and comfy. That's about it, guys. Thank you so much for hanging out with your girl all day. Had a lot of fun. If you don't know about Chili's and those drinks, you better head on over to Chili's and get yourself some delicious drinks, because I gotta be honest, lately I haven't been finding a lot of spots that knows how to make good drinks. They make their drinks, yeah, whatever, but they're not that good in my opinion. I'm your girl Tammy, and I'll see you tomorrow in another vlog.